SpeTool Cratos Pro Router Sled. The router sled comes with two versatile plates, one pre-drilled for easy router compatibility, the other ready for your DIY customization. Effortlessly slide your router with surfacing fit into the rails with no interference. Receive for clamps with your purchase. 5 height positions adjustable, spaced 1 inch apart between every height for precise control. Process thin workpieces with ease. Tackle thick workpieces effortlessly. SpeTool Cratos Pro Router Sled. SpeTool, make your work easier.